Preventing blood clots in the heart by home remedies. These two, heart attack and brain stroke, most important dangers are now troubling us all. And we have to protect them from their clutches. That is, the only thing that is important is to prevent hardening of the blood vessel walls. How well the walls of the blood vessels fold and stretch. Blood circulation becomes very easy. If the heart pumps blood through these collapsible blood vessels, the blood moves forward freely without burdening the heart. When the walls of the blood vessels get a little stiff, they wrinkle. When hardened, they lose their elasticity and cannot stretch. So they shrink. When blood is pumped through these narrowed blood vessels through hardened blood vessels, the blood does not flow properly down to your heart. It creates more pressure. If the water goes down freely through the tube when standing in the motor, there is no pressure on the motor. Suppose the tube is kinked somewhere. All that pressure and all the force is the first to beat in reverse. The heart beats, so BP should not rise. Especially the blood vessels that supply blood to the heart. The coronary artery center. The blood vessels that supply the right heart. The right coronary RTC. And the seventh part of the blood vessels that supply the heart. The left coronary arteries under LC. And if there is no accumulation of cholesterol in the blood vessels without fat accumulation, heart attacks are prevented. And if you think that there is any food to protect cholesterol, fat in the blood vessel walls from getting a heart attack, it has been scientifically proven that flax seeds work miraculously. These flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid and the composition of these two omega-3 fatty acids is very high. By using these flax seeds regularly, the risk of heart disease and heart attack is reduced by a large percentage. Research on 250,000 people has proven that blood vessels are smooth and therefore more supportive in preventing BP. In the year 2012, Harvard School of Public Health. Yes, America is special and Harvard University is a very famous university in the world. 230 lakhs of them are yours. Flax seeds are said to prevent heart disease by preventing fatty cholesterol and plaque in the walls of the heart and blood vessels. 27 research papers. Infants are useful in preventing the accumulation of fatty cholesterol in the blood vessels of heart. Flax seeds are very useful for keeping the blood vessels smooth to prevent BP from rising too. More research has proven that, therefore, it is good to keep such flax seeds in every home because the good fat in them is good for our body. How can these flax seeds be used? However, any type of glue is good for anyone's mouth. But if you want to eat it fresh and taste good in your mouth, spread it through this residue and heat it a little in a bandi with a little honey mixed with custard dates for 5 minutes. After, flax seeds made with that date are eaten daily. It will be good. These are flax seeds. Powdered curd is roasted and dried. Note: when taking flax seeds, check BP regularly under a qualified doctor.